Now some of you might be wondering, how exactly does one beat people like a sheep? Take it away, Gabe!
Throw your hands up and point them to the floor. Here's what to do, now get down on all fours. Just bounce around, it's easy for me. Go crazy now and beat it like a sheep. Beep, beep, I'm a sheep, I said beep, beep, I'm a sheep. Beep, beep, I'm a sheep, I said beep, beep, I'm a sheep. Beep, beep, you got to beep, beep. I said beep, beep, I'm a sheep. Beep, beep, you got to beep, beep. I said beep, beep like a sheep.
Yeah, so you know how to beat people like a sheep, I see. But is that all you can do?